Hi, my name is Caroline, and I'm going to read my book. Zach the rat. Zach the.
Read the word. Let's touch it together. Is
the.
No.
Rat. Zach had.
Sit up. Sit up and read it.
Zach.
Right here. Right here. Look at the paper, not the computer.
Zach had.
No, that's not what it says. Read the words, baby. You're not reading the words. What word is this?
Ham.
No.
Zach. On a pan.
No, not pan.
Can. The ants ran to the jelly.
Not jelly. Sound it out.
J Jam.
So put it together. Right here, baby. Look at your book, please.
Had
What word is that? It's a sight word.
the ants came and ran to the jelly.
Not jelly.
Jam.
The ants ran to the jam.
Mommy, the computer.
It's okay. It's so you can't look at it. Read your book. No.
Zach had a pan.
Very good.
Zach had a fan. Ants.
No.
Ants ran.
No. What's that word?
Ran.
No. What's that word? You don't sound it out. You just say it.
The ants ran and ran. Zach
Not took.
had a nap.
The end.
The end.